A recent study about youth in STEM presented some surprising insights. It turns out that a majority of students in Australia find science and technology fascinating to learn about. In fact, they even empathize with the issue of climate change and recognize renewable energy as part of the solution. This seems like the perfect recipe if you want to have more engineers in the renewable energy industry. So, what's the problem? It turns out that only a small proportion of students actually understand what engineering is about. And this is partly because of how science and mathematics are taught in traditional classroom environments. Circumstances like these suppress student confidence and ambition to enact on issues they deeply care about. However, we believe that by adopting a practical learning approach towards renewable energy, students can now have the freedom to assemble, experiment, and iterate, just like any other engineer.
So, how do we ensure that students get this opportunity for practical learning? The answer is a solar-powered automobile kit. We have designed, tested, and had fun with building a small solar-powered automobile kit, which will educate users in a very exciting, hands-on way. Users will be given tasks and goals to guide them through the experience, starting with building the kit, putting together the circuitry and the car body, and then ending with testing the performance of a solar panel by varying different system components. This product will empower students by allowing them to assemble, experiment, and iterate their very own solar system, using an automobile as a real-time performance indicator. The features of this product include adjustable tilt and orientation mechanisms, as well as detachable reflectors, which allows the user to experiment with what actually affects the performance of a solar panel. It can be powered by both battery and solar, giving it increased versatility, and it has a very user-friendly manual and data interface in order to show real-time data and guide the user through all of their tasks. By offering this product to students, we can show them how renewable energy works and help them shift their perspective to make it seem less intimidating and a lot more exciting. You may have seen other automobile kits out there, even potentially with solar power, but have you ever seen a kit that offers the unique experience of fully optimizing the solar system, of allowing the user to design and experiment with what solar components work and how they affect performance, giving you real-time data on what's actually happening? Because we know we certainly haven't, and that is why our product is going to be the best solution.
The aim of the game is to maximize user engagement and user friendliness, hence why our product is designed to be easy to understand, all while intellectually stimulating. We've taken care of the complexities through sophisticated user interface design and circuits pre-assembly. All that's left is for students to connect components like solar panels and DC motors, just like IKEA furniture. This way, more time is spent on experimental learning. At the same time, we've also sized features like the solar panels and battery in a way that students are challenged to problem solve. For example, in order to optimize the complete solar system in the end, students must hurdle through concepts like solar mismatch and battery capacity from the previous tasks. As a team, we've spent plenty of time running multiple design iterations and software-based simulations to ensure the system performs to the best of its ability. Through rigorous testing, we've understood that our system can achieve a top speed of 0.34 meters per second, peak power generation of 3 watts, and a battery life of 30 minutes. We also anticipate the average high school student to spend only 3 to 4 hours assembling, experimenting, and iterating in order to fully unlock and realize the possibilities of renewable energy. That's as long as 2 lectures.
Our team is currently at the testing stage of this project. So we have a fully implemented prototype and a working user manual and website interface for data collection. In week 8, we hit the major milestone of finishing the physical implementation of the mechanical structure. And then week 9, we finished the electrical implementation, finalized the user manual and that website that I was talking about. And so from here on, we just have to finish testing and we'll polish up any designs in this coming week so that we are ready for the test day. So from past experience working with children in workshops, I know that they learn best when they're given the freedom to build and experiment and play with a product. And that is why I think that our product is the best for the job.